Oh, that breeze is coming in. Oh my Lord, that feels amazing. Oh, especially after sweating my ass off. God. You know, I want to jump in this water, but I know it's dirty. That's why I'm not. Of course, most Oklahoma waters are pretty yucky, but I'll swim at most lakes. Just, you know, they got to be somewhat clear. And the only reason why I say this one's dirty is just because the amount of bullshit people pump in these fucking lakes, river. Because this is the part of the North Canadian River. I'm trying to remember, where does it drain off into? Eufaula, I think. I believe Eufaula. And I know Eufaula isn't like an extremely dirty body of water, but I don't know. If I don't want to swim in this water, I don't know if I'd swim in Eufaula water, you know? Of course, that may just me being a little baby. I've never swam at Eufaula. Say Sportsman is my favorite to swim just because really nice current that goes through it. Free fishing, free swimming. It's really nicely maintained. And the park ranger there is really cool. That was kind of a bad cast, but it ended up being good somehow. Oh, excuse me.